Sick. Go ahead and get to some things that you want to look for. For a company. That you don't get scammed. A few points and side comments to not bore you on this one. So go ahead and get into it. Comes to credit repair services before they pay any services. I'll look at your credit for $100, $25 to $100. In actuality, you're supposed to free consultation. Take a look at your credit and give you applicable advice. That's a lot of times just to happen. Sometimes it does. I don't do it for consultation. All of it's really caters to how I look at your credit and what you're in. If you want to me, then I go into more in depth and really just put you on game, as opposed to just fixing your credit. The company doesn't tell you your rights and yourself for free. Yep, you do. You can get time and dispute it yourself. If you don't want to do the leg like it, you don't have the expertise. A lot of times these templates, bureaus got them. Something to know if it's a template. Even the templates that I, those are handwritten. Those are not the 609 lights. Like, these are actual templates. I took the time. Actually sat down with the Credit Reporting Act. And attorney, buddy of mine, of these letters. You don't want to get a template. You send it off and it be frivolous. Exactly what's going to happen. They'll say, "Oh, we can't dispute it." 3. The company recommends that you do not contact 3 major credit reporting agents. This one is just straight up foolish. Any person with a functioning mind, if I get something from the credit bureaus, and contact them. Some people I might say, "Hey, look, you may need to call them." Like, for example, I just did a video about if that's the case, more likely I'll just put you on game. You can get those items removed. Look, get an affidavit from the get notarized police report, and call the credit bureau collection agencies, or call the creditor where the account was open. That's just something that you personally. I would never tell a client not to act for an agency. This is foolish. Where the company tells you that they can get rid of negative credit even if the information is accurate or correct. Very true. A lot of times I tell my client the debt, whether it's yours or not, I'm disputing the way it's more than likely somebody messed up. There's a certain way that sometimes they'll have debt. Yeah, it'll be accurate, but they don't have the proof. And that's where I come in. Like 5, the company suggests that credit identity, aka CPN, and then apply for employer identification number to use instead of that, using to build business credit for EIN. Like, don't. That's foolish. Not nowadays. Don't try to get a car. Don't try to get a house because you're in prison. That's me being honest. I don't mess with CPNs, and I was on the CPNs at all. I sit in jail for a couple $100. Stop it. Get all information on your credit report, regardless of its accuracy or its timeliness. That one's foolish as well. This is the one I hate the most. Like, why in the hell would you want to delete that? Why the hell? A lot of times you'll see people who do credit, get a police report, or they'll falsify a police report, or they'll mail to the credit bureaus and say, "I'm going to do a credit," and a whole bunch of dispute letters to actually jam the system, abuse under you, and they'll take it off for like 30 days, and then they'll get it all. This one is foolish. Didn't really touch upon some more key points. Really, they don't show. There's really no information about them. Like, my name is Nicholas Davis. Stuff like that. And I got a video where I'm showing my face. Based in Louisiana. Just information like that. I'm not trying to help you and fix your credit and then scam you. It's not the case. I'm trying to be, that's the main thing, transparency, track record. A lot of times you got a feeling that that person might not be genuine. more than likely go ahead and exercise, your instincts. So just about certain people. Just do your due diligence, That's how they typed up. How they typed up with videos as well. Just go ahead and really just taking all that into account.